In this video, we are going to walk through how to use Breakout EDU, either with a physical kit checked out or just using the digital website. So first we're going to go to breakoutedu.com, click the login button in the upper right, choose an educator, and then we are going to log in with the information given to you by the district. And here we are on the website where we can browse any of the new games under the Discover Games, and we can also search by keyword, grade level, or subject. So we're going to go by subject here first, and then you can see the different subjects that they have available. And so you can select any of the subjects. We're going to click on science. We can also narrow this down by grade level, and we can also filter results by standards alignment. So we can see the different types. There's also the grade level filter along the top. So we're going to select 6th grade, and then we can see the filter by standards alignment is open. So we can select different standards and choose to narrow down our results. We can also see the standards listed within the different Breakout EDU games and the type of science topic. As in the upper right, it will show you if a kit is required to complete the game. If you do not see kit required, then this game can be completed fully on the Breakout EDU website. So it's a digital only game. So you do not need to check out a physical kit. You can scroll through and access any of these games. If you would like to open it up and preview, you can click more details. Then it is going to include the premise at the top, and then you can click game resources. This is going to open up any printed materials that you will need to print out for your class. So you can access this and print out copies. These are the clues to include for the game to open up the locks. So the kit does come with the physical box with the locks that you'll need to set the combinations. So here you can go lock by lock. It will tell you the type of lock to use and the combination, as well as the explanation, how it works with the lock and the code. You can also open up the full answer key with the story. This is really great to have on hand when you are running the game with your class. So you can print this out to have on hand. There's also some nice reflection questions to use after you use the game with the class, either the digital only or the kit required version. A lot of the kit required versions also include digital components, so that's really fun and engaging for students. So they might need to use their Chromebooks. It will mention that when you open up a kit required if there's any digital pieces. This is a digital only game. So you can see here the kind of digital view that students will see, and the solutions are digital combinations. You can add those, you can copy them to your games so that you can edit them later. And you can also click play game to open it up and try it out. You can also copy the link at the top to share this or assign it to students in Google Classroom. So you'll copy the link up at the top once you click play game, and that's how you'll share it with students. The assign button requires you to add a class to the Breakout EDU platform, and that one we won't use within this account. So here we are, where we've copied the game, and it is in our all games folder. And if you click on the copy that you made, you can select Edit in Builder at the top, and this will include all aspects of the game in editable versions. So you can change the title, the story to personalize to your class. You can change if it's sequential or non-sequential, if they can go out of order. You can update images, videos, text for each lock. You can go lock by lock. So here we are in the basic game, overall game info, and then we can go each lock. So you can change the codes, the clues, and you can even add locks. So if you would like to change the length of the game, you can add more locks. You can make this based on your curriculum or your current content in your class. So you can go through and add more to a current game, or you can edit a game to make it more grade level appropriate, or to make connections and personalize it to your actual class. And then you can click Save and Edit down at the bottom, and it will be saved as your copy under the My Game section. And then you can open it with that Play Game button and copy the link at the top to share with students in your Google Classroom. So those are options for editing in that builder for a digital game in Breakout EDU. Once you make a copy of one of the games, you can go to My Games. You can also create a brand new game in that upper right corner with the Create button under My Games, which you can see is in the main menu on the left. You can also go home and search for new games here by grade level, subject area. You can also narrow down by type. So if you just are looking for digital games to use in your class, or if you would like to check out a kit, we do have the full expansion pack. If you want one that contains digital locks as well, you can narrow your search down by type of game. So those are options for how to navigate and use Breakout EDU, whether you are using a physical kit or just using the digital games.